Let me show you some camera tips and tricks that we can do on Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's open the camera app, and the first thing that I want to show you is beauty filters or face retouching. Over here, for example, in the photo mode, we can tap on these four dots on the right side in order to swipe to find this smiley face. And if you select it, you should be able to find different filters for face in order to improve the smoothness of the skin. You can also adjust the tone, jawline, and eyes. And of course, similar options can also be found if you go to the front camera. They are pretty much identical. So this can be quite useful in order to, for example, try to hide some imperfections. And besides that, we also have a dedicated macro mode that will help you take photos of small subjects. If you go to more, then over here, as you can see, we have macro. So this is a pretty cool thing that this budget-friendly smartphone actually provides a dedicated macro mode. Over here, you can also find some additional instructions that you can follow in order to take photos of small subjects. Speaking of different modes, there's also the fun mode over here. And the fun mode allows you to use Snapchat filters. So we have a bunch of different filters that we can use. So if you are a fan of the Snapchat lenses, different effects, then you can use this instead of the app. But there is a chance that you don't have this option enabled. So you can tap on these four dots on the right side in order to go to the camera settings. And over here, as you can see, we have show Snapchat lenses in fun mode. So we need to make sure that this option is enabled. While we are in the camera settings, what you can also do is go to shooting methods, and over here you should be able to find the press the volume buttons too. And by default we use it to take picture or record a video, but we can also use to zoom in and zoom out, which is quite a useful feature, because instead of using this gesture over here with pinching or by pressing and holding the finger and sliding over here left and right, what you can do is you can simply press volume buttons to adjust the zoom over here. And last but not least, let's go back to the same settings over here. Let's open shooting methods, and over here we have show palm, which is actually, I believe, enabled by default. So you can tap on the switcher if it's disabled. And with show palm option enabled, if you switch to the front camera, you can simply show your hand to the front camera. Let's see. There we go, and if the hand is detected, then we will start a countdown, and after 3 or 2 seconds we can capture a photo. So this is especially useful if you make some sort of selfie photos where you leave your camera somewhere in the distance. So you can just show your hand in order to take the photo without having to touch your smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.